I just got some sand and stones from the nearby creek. I'm just gonna fill them up in the bottom before I lay the rocks. Here's what I have, 2 of them. I also pick up some rocks and stones from the backyard. Plant these in the front yard. Nice tulip flowers. So here I clean out these rocks. I got these concrete mix from the local home center. Below them into this blue barrel. Okay, here is the instruction. Add water. I don't think you have to wait. It's my motor. I'm gonna get the water and start working on it now. Well, I don't want to use the whole bag yet. I don't know how it's going to turn out, so I'm using 1/3 of a bag. I'm going to mix it right now. A little bit longer. I'm gonna put cement on these right now, then I'm 100% done. Yeah, it looks really nice. Nice straight. Man, I tell you, mason work is not easy. So I got this side done. I use 1 full bag of cement. Okay, everything is finished now. Wow. All together, I think it took me 5 hours to do this. It's hard work, you know, but it's fun. Still have some left. I'm using a broomstick to smooth out the surface. It gives a better look. Well, it started raining today, so I have to cover it up. Hopefully good to go, and because it's gonna rain again tomorrow, I decided to add a little nice flower dedicated bed in here. I just basically use the leftover cement and grab these loose rocks and build it a 21 inch by 21 inch dedicated bed. Well, it's been raining all yesterday, so I removed the covers and let it dry from above.